Hey everyone, Anya here at ourgiveWithHome.com, and in this quick little video I'm going to show you how you can make these salt dough Christmas ornaments. And I have here one that has a wire on it. You can hang that in your Christmas tree. It's a very rustic, simple Christmas decor. You can put some twine in it and you can wrap them around Christmas gifts. I have holes in every single one of them. You can choose to have those or not. And they're really easy to make from 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and cinnamon. And it's a perfect activity that you can do with your children. And then I have these cookie cutouts here, different forms: a star, a tree, this gingerbread man. I have a heart. I have a rocking horse and a bell. So let's make these together really quick. And I just wanted to introduce our newest family members here, 2 little kittens. They are getting into everything, including my clothes, into the wires for the camera, and they're constantly at my feet. So I thought, instead of this being awkward, I'm just going to introduce Ella and Louis to you. And if the camera is shaking, that is because they stepped on it.
We need 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1/3 cup of cinnamon powder, and 1/2 cup of water. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. And rest the dough in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. And then roll out the dough to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thickness. And cut out shapes with cookie cutters. With a thin knife, transfer the ornaments to a cookie sheet. And using a toothpick, make a small hole in the top of the ornament. Bake at 250 degrees for about 1 hour. Remove the ornaments from the oven. And flip them to the other side. Return them back to the hot oven and bake for 1 more hour. And cool the ornaments on a cooling rack.
Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I upload a new video at least every week. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.